Joining us now is John Caplan, CEO of Payoneer, a fintech player that provides cross-border payments platform for small and medium-sized businesses. And you join me here on set. Welcome.
It's great to be here. Thanks for having me. Happy New Year.
So I do want to start right there with the fact that we're coming through the holiday season here. And what has that meant for Payoneer, and what have you seen in terms of that key time for consumer activity?
So what's remarkable about Payoneer is we're a financial operating system for emerging market small business owners. So our customers are in 190 countries, and they're exporting their goods and services around the world. So directly as it relates to the U.S. consumer, we have merchants in Vietnam and China and around the world who sell on Amazon or Walmart or Etsy, you name those platforms. And what we've seen is really strong e-commerce volume growth. We reported in October, November, 18% growth year over year. We haven't yet reported December. I can say the U.S. consumer, though, has traded down in average price point, moving to lower priced goods as they filled up their holiday baskets. Interesting.
So what has that meant in terms of the mix? Since you do work with small and medium businesses and across the world, we know they tend to be the lifeblood of the economy and sort of the first indicators of where economic growth is headed. What are you seeing?
So it's fascinating about Payoneer. With customers in 190 countries, we're in the parts of the world where SMBs power the economy and cross-border exports power the economy. And what we're seeing is really great growth. You know, India, for example, where the GDP is anticipated to grow 7% next year, our business is very strong. South Korea, very strong. In the Philippines, super strong. Argentina, Colombia, Brazil, very strong. We're seeing exports really driving the emerging market economy. And in the West, we're seeing people source supply or contractors or employees around the globe. And what Payoneer does is we created a financial product, a platform in your hand, a mobile app that does all of your cross-border accounts receivable and accounts payable. Really the financial guts of the most important growing part of the global economy.
So when you talk about 190 countries and you talk about all these different markets that are growing so quickly, is it that they're growing quickly selling into the U.S. or selling into other markets?
It's interesting. Great question, because we support 7,000 corridors of trade between the globe. So we see in UAE and Dubai lots of trade to other parts of the Far East. In the U.S., imports from China or other parts of the globe really strong.
Interesting. You used to work at Alibaba as well, and you handled their cross-border business there. I mean, we're seeing more of the Chinese e-commerce players. Shein's been getting a lot of attention ahead of a potential IPO next year. Begin to take a bigger piece of the global e-commerce pie, including here in the U.S. Is that what you're seeing as well?
Yeah, we definitely see the strength in the low-cost, fast delivery, fast fashion e-commerce platforms. Shein, Temu, TikTok. You know, we have Amazon, Etsy, Airbnb, Walmart, you know, Mercado Libre leveraging the Payoneer platform, and those future marketplaces beginning to explore how to use our platform as well.